a lot of the projects that we're going to be doing involve tracing. I know that it kind of comes off as a cheat, but it's not. I mean, if I can find an image of somebody, the art is what I'm doing to the picture, not the actual picture itself. So this video right here is just for learning how to transfer an image onto a piece of paper easily. The first thing you're going to need is you're going to need a printout. It needs to be a computer paper or just some kind of paper you don't really want. Don't make it like a photo paper, and it can't be glossy. It's got to just be regular paper. It can't have like a film on it that makes it shiny, because otherwise the pencil doesn't stick to it. So what I'm going to do to transfer this image of Marilyn Monroe onto this piece of paper, the first thing is I have to shade the entire background. Now, it doesn't have to be when I mean the entire background or the entire back of the picture, I don't want to get all of this out here. I just need her. Anything behind her, I'm going to have to shade in with pencil. So the first step is to take this image here, flip it over onto the back, and then I'm going to need a pencil. Nothing else, just a pencil. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to shade. Now if you'll notice, what I have right now is the pencil is covering all of what Marilyn Monroe is. If I want to, maybe I would darken up this just a little bit. But notice the pencil marks are close together. It's not totally dark, but it's dark enough that whatever I'm going to trace on the other side is going to come off on this. So at this point, what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this back over. But this right now, this is my project. This is what I want the image to be traced onto. This is my final project right here. So I'm going to take the picture here and I'm going to line it up however I want. Some of you might want it wherever you want for your particular picture, whatever your particular project, whatever it calls for. This one in particular calls for it to be down toward the bottom, kind of like it's going to be a portrait. And once I have my image where I want it to be, I am going to now use some tape, just 2 little pieces of masking tape, and I'm going to tape them on the top left corner up here. And then I'm also going to put another one on the bottom right corner down here. That way, if I need to, while I'm tracing this, I can still lift it up and look and see what's going on and make sure it's working. But at the same time, it's secure enough that it's not going to move around while I'm tracing it. Some of you aren't doing a project this size. Some of you might be doing one that's bigger. It might be 11 by 17, 18 by 24. Whatever you're doing your image on, your photo might be bigger. But you're going to go through the exact same process. You're going to put the pencil on the back, flip it over onto your project, and tape it down. That's what I want you to do. Get going on that part right now.